Today we organized an art mela for our children in Handwara. We have about 76 children participating from various villages around Handwara. We are very happy to have this platform offered for children to express their creativity. We are very happy to see that Mr. Saad Parvez, our patron, has also joined us today. He has had an interactive session with our adolescent group and he has really motivated them to follow their dreams in a very systematic and structured way. So very happy for that as well.
We have around us a lot of students as young as 4 years to 10th class students present here from different private and government schools in Handwara, and then Chinar International is doing a wonderful job. The job which Chinar International is doing is nurturing of the underprivileged children, and then they converted into a competition, an art competition with some theme areas, and then basic idea was to unleash their creativity and look how exactly the young minds are thinking. In that context, this small competition, art competition, was carried out here. Kind of sessions which were conducted. One of the session basically was a kind of counseling where we actually came up with interaction sessions with the student. It was a kind of a career counseling where different career choices were shared with them, and then some kind of important, a word of advice was shared with the students that what should be the do's and don'ts which can make them better citizens of this country. We also try to guide them that what are the areas where they should actually put their efforts, what is the technological changes which is happening around the world.
We are very happy to see that we have this opportunity every year to bring children together, to offer them support under the Child Development Program. We organized today's art mela to ensure that children have a space for creative expression and freedom. We provided themes to children, but they were free to also come up with whatever artworks that they wanted to. And we are very happy to see that some of these children have greatly improved their skills from last year to this year, and we are looking forward to more such events in future. We have distributed prizes to the top 3 winners and also consolation prizes to some of the other well-performing children. A total of 372 children from 7 districts participated in the art melas. Today's event has been a successful event, and we are very happy and glad that our donors are constantly supporting us in this endeavor. Thank you.